Hey, this is Johnny with Capital City Dent Repair. I'm going to show you what we're working on today. It's a 2020 Dodge Ram with some damage on this passenger rear door. The lady came to us a few months ago, got a quote from us. We were a little over her budget and she decided to take it somewhere else. Wherever she went, they really screwed up the damage, or I'm sorry, they really screwed up the dent a little more. They did more damage than it previously was. But now she came back. We're gonna try to fix it. We're gonna try to do her right. But now she's gonna have to spend a little more money than she would have if she would have just came to us from the beginning. But let's see what we can do. I'm gonna bring you along on this dent, and I'll show you how I personally will tackle it. We all know everybody's different, but I'm gonna bring it in the shop and get to it. Alright, so I have it all set up. I'm gonna start by using the perfect pull. I'll be using some of the Kiko tabs. If you don't know what the perfect pull is, I'll show you. I recommend checking them out. Go to their YouTube channel, The Perfect Pull. Basically, it's a tower that once you put your tabs, it don't matter the damage or where it is, you can use this tower to crank your dent out. What do I mean by crank? Well, you could use these guys right here, these straps, these ratchet straps, and pull your dent. It can help you release pressure while you're knocking down your crowns, and you can use this for many different types of dents. This is the body shop version, which goes down to the vehicle. And again, go to the YouTube video. You'll be able to see exactly how this works. But this can also be a mobile version. Basically, this comes off, and you're left with this right here. And if you go to their YouTube channel, you'll be able to see how they use it. noted, we were able to use the holes that were drilled by the previous technician, so that made it very convenient. So we appreciate you guys. We're going to continue to make some videos. We hope you guys like what we're doing. We ask that you support us by subscribing and liking, maybe even sharing. But in the meantime, till next video, adios.